Hey guys, Josh here, and wanted to share with you how I have developed a framework to dominate crypto investing without guesswork, day trading, or gambling. This is the framework that has worked best for me, and hopefully it will work for you as well. And I hope that you can engage with what I'm about to show you and also relate with what I'm about to say, because most people start with probably the most common investing strategy, but it has one of the lowest results. And I call it the BHH strategy. The BHH strategy. What in the world are you talking about, Josh? Well, let me explain. So BHH obviously stands for something. It stands for buy, hold, and hope. A lot of times, most people getting into crypto, they might buy some Bitcoin, they might buy some Ethereum. Really what you're doing is investing, first of all. But second of all, you don't know really why, or maybe you bought something completely off the beaten path. Maybe it's a meme coin of some kind. Regardless, it ends up being more like a slot machine, more like gambling, and you're just hoping for that lucky spin to hit triple sevens. And that just doesn't happen because you've got time horizons. Everyone has a different time horizon of investment. Everyone has different expectations. People experience FOMO differently. A certain amount of money to you may not be a lot of money to someone else, and vice versa. So there's a lot of variables. And so what I teach all of my members in my mastermind is to have a specifically desired, ferociously specific desired outcome. And we reverse engineer from there using the most successful investment framework that I've found. And I call it the crypto flywheel strategy. This is what's allowed me to get the highest results over the last 5 years of investing in crypto. And I want to break it down just in plain English so that it makes sense and that you can go do this for yourself and with your own portfolio. How is this different? So as you notice over there on the right-hand side, I've got the crypto flywheel. This is the crypto YALL framework, okay? We don't start with buy and hold. That's where most people start, okay? That appreciation, building equity part of the flywheel. There's nothing inherently wrong with that strategy. We want to own assets. We want to build net worth. But in crypto, there's some advantages and some opportunities that we aren't taking advantage of if we don't know about them. And most of the time, people who haven't cracked the code in crypto, the reason why is, number one, they don't know what they don't know. And number two, they haven't had time to really focus and crack the code that's before them. So they don't even know about the code, first of all, and then they don't have time to figure it out. And so what I've figured out after paying a lot of the dummy taxes is we don't start with buy and hold. We start with cash flow, just like a business. Every business needs cash flow. And we used decentralized finance to pay us daily. So the best thing for your portfolio is to have daily cash flow, daily dividends, daily yield that it's earning coming in the door so that you can use that as really like house money. And you start with any level of starting capital that you want to work with. And then on that starting capital, you earn a daily yield. It's the 200-year-old banking strategy. You know, banks, when we make a deposit, they go out and they buy insurance policies. They invest in other businesses. They trade on Wall Street. They take our deposits and make tons of yield, and they keep it all centralized for themselves. What decentralized finance allows us to do is to participate in fully democratized, basically little banks or financial ecosystems that need liquidity. They need cash flow in the form of cryptocurrencies. So we can take our non-productive crypto that's just sitting in Coinbase somewhere or whatever central exchange account you're using, and we can put it to work, and it can earn daily cash flow As you can see on the right, one of many over a dozen examples that I have in my portfolio of just earning daily earnings, $22 a day, $36 a day, $43 a day as my purse grows. And so we can take that yield and do whatever we want to with it. Okay. We can take that yield and earn more yield. We can recompound it using the rule of 72. It's just a matter of knowing where and what to invest in. If you want to dive deeper in this, I have an opportunity for you to do that in a safe environment, in a place with me as kind of the guide, if you will. I'm not a financial advisor. I'll never tell you how much money you have to invest or where you have to invest it, but I'll show you what I do with my money. And if you want to learn how to do this and how to use the crypto flywheel in your favor, I host a 4-week training cohort called Get Paid Daily. It includes training, support on an unlimited basis, live coaching, and a community that you get to be a part of with over 200 other investors who have their skin in the game, just like you and I. And all you have to do is apply. And the way you apply is by booking a call with me. And let's have a one-on-one call. We can do a Zoom call. We can do a phone call, whatever's convenient for you. And I'm even happy to show you where I have some of my money invested right now. And you can see the daily earnings that I'm making so that you can too. And hopefully, if you're a good fit and we're a good fit for you, you'll want to join Get Paid Daily so you can level up and acquire the skill of investing. Josh Rhodes, Crypto Y'all, and the Get Paid Daily cohort. Would love to talk to you soon. Click on the link, book a one-on-one demo call with me, and I'll see you then.